Add to the dirty clothes, and the result will surprise you. Snow white laundry, which you dream of, is within reach. Socks, t-shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness, and the stains will disappear. It's the perfect way to whiten and remove stains using a homemade method. If the stains haven't come out in the laundry and there are still dirt on the socks, this method will surely help you. It will also work for towels. After all, there shouldn't be any dirt on them. Check your white socks after washing and take out the ones that are still dirty or gray. Do the same with other items. I have a few towels. Some of them still have stains. Prepare a bowl and put all these items in it. Let me know which city you're watching me from today. Pour 2 liters of hot water. If you only have one item, 1 liter will suffice. Take vinegar from the cupboard and measure 1 cup. Pour it into the water with the items. Measure 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Pour it into the bowl. And finally, add 2 denture cleaning tablets. These tablets contain baking soda, citric acid, and other whitening agents. They clean and whiten clothes perfectly. Leave the laundry to soak for an hour. Put it in the washing machine and wash as usual with other white items. There will be no trace of stains. The items will be clean and snow white. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Pour it into the wash. Dark clothes will regain their intense black color faster than you think. Put all the dark clothes in the washing machine, but choose only those that don't have any prints or other, especially light colors. Now it's time for coffee. Brew some coffee, either from a machine or instant, but make sure it doesn't have any grounds. This is a homemade method to refresh clothes without using chemical dyes. Add the coffee to the detergent compartment of the washing machine, or pour a cup of coffee directly onto the laundry. As usual, add your regular laundry detergent and start the washing machine. Coffee helps darken black and brown clothes. This beverage acts as a natural dye, reviving colors, especially on dark fabrics. It can also help maintain the color intensity, preventing it from fading. Start the washing machine, and that's it. You will definitely notice a difference. The clothes will be as black as new. I got rid of all my fabric softeners. I replaced them with this homemade natural one. Regular softeners often stay on the fabric, can irritate your skin, and have very strong scents. Making your own is incredibly simple. Grab a tall jar and some lavender. It's a super versatile plant, and you can buy it in two common forms: dried sprigs with flowers, or just dried lavender buds, already separated from the stems and ready to use. Both versions smell intense, and the fragrance lasts a long time, which is why lavender is used so often around the house. Chop the lavender and add it to the jar. Now take vinegar. It helps soften fabrics, neutralizes bad odors, and keeps laundry feeling fresh. Pour the vinegar over the lavender, close the jar, and set it aside for a few days. After that, the liquid will turn a beautiful color and start smelling amazing. Prepare a second tall jar and a strainer. Strain everything so you're left with a clean, clear liquid. And that's it. Your homemade lavender fabric softener is ready. Open the detergent drawer in your washing machine and pour a little into the softener compartment. You don't need much. Then wash as usual. Lavender leaves a subtle, beautiful scent, and the vinegar softens and refreshes the fabric. This homemade softener works great for bedding, towels, and everyday clothes. Most importantly, it's gentle on the skin. No unnecessary chemicals, so nothing itches and nothing irritates. Put a sock on an empty bottle. You'll soon understand why this trick is going viral. Start by preparing a bowl and filling it with very warm water. Place your socks in the bowl and leave them for a few minutes to soak thoroughly. Meanwhile, get your favorite laundry detergent ready. Don't add it to the water, just keep it nearby. Take an empty plastic bottle. Make sure it's not too big. Slide one of the wet socks over the bottle. Because the fabric is stretched and damp, it'll go on easily, even if the sock is tight. Hold the bottle with the sock in one hand and pour a bit of detergent over the fabric with the other. Then take a soft brush and gently start scrubbing the surface of the sock. You'll quickly notice the difference. This method effectively removes not only general dirt, but also stubborn stains, especially in high-wear areas. No washing machine can clean the fibers this precisely. This simple manual trick really works. It turns out a basic bottle can replace the old-fashioned washboard our grandmothers used. Finally, rinse the socks well in clean water. They'll look as good as new. You can confidently wash your shoes in the washing machine without worrying that it will ruin your favorite footwear. You'll save time that you used to spend cleaning shoes by hand. I'll show you step by step how to do it so your shoes stay clean and well maintained. First, take a plastic bag, roll it up, and put it in the washing machine. This will prevent your shoes from banging against the drum. Now grab your favorite dirty shoes and apply toothpaste to them. Don't worry, toothpaste cleans and removes stains perfectly. Next, put the shoes in the washing machine next to the plastic bag. Add a scoop of laundry powder and select a gentle wash cycle. After the cycle is finished, take out the shoes and see how great they look. Leave them to dry, but make sure to dry them away from direct heat sources. This will help them maintain their shape and avoid damage. Now your shoes are clean and ready to wear.